Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to face paint this beautiful eye design. I'm using a 3/4 inch flat angled brush for the primary part of the eye, and I'm using a split cake by Tag called Neon Nirvana. This one's super pretty for eye designs, sunsets, butterflies, you name it. For the leaves, we'll use a green split cake. This one's a custom-made Tag split cake, but you can find different green combination split cakes out there. There is one called Leaf by Tag, which I also like to use. It's a little bit more vibrant. This one has a metallic base. And for the flower petals, I like to use a number 8 petal brush for double dipping. So I use Fusion White to load the petal brush, and then I also use whichever color I want the petals to be. For this instance, we use purple. I dab the dip of the brush into a baby wipe, and then I'll dip it into the purple to then give the petal effect on the child's face. Other people like to use other techniques, but I find that the baby wipe technique really works well, and there's less mess when it comes to applying it on, and it doesn't get runny or anything like that. It's a really pretty tropical design. The girls love this one, and of course the boys do as well. I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun learning how to face paint this one. So get your face painting brushes and your paints, and let's get painting.